Most Nigerians think investing in stocks is only for rich people in suits. But the truth is, some of the biggest companies in Nigeria are literally paying ordinary people every single year just for owning shares. Banks, cement companies, telecommunication companies. And today, I will show you exactly how to buy Nigerian stocks directly from your phone using the Bamboo app. No stress, no complicated grammar, just simple. By the way, this is MTN stocks you can see on this particular screen. And when you click on this, you will see, when you click on this, you'll see all of these are Nigerian stocks. You can see Boa Cement, Fidelity Bank, Japo Gold, like all of these, the whole lot of Nigerian stocks, all these companies you've been hearing about that you can actually take advantage of, buy into these shares, buy into these stocks. Some of them are even paying dividends. Okay, so all of these stocks, a lot of people don't know where to get these stocks from. And today I'll be showing you how to get these stocks. This is what to do. So the first thing you're going to do is, for those of you that are Android users, you'll be using Google Play Store. But for us that are iOS users, that is either iPhone, iPad, MacBook, just simply go to your App Store. Yeah. So when you click on your App Store, what you just have to do is search for Bamboo. Then when you search for Bamboo, you will see this. So because I already have this, look at Bamboo, look at the icon, then invest, trade, and so because I already have this on my iPhone, that is why it's just showing me to just re-download to this device. Okay, so we're downloading the Bamboo app. Remember, on Bamboo, you are gonna be getting basically almost all Nigerian stocks there, almost all of them. Then of course there is USA stocks on Bamboo, but mind you, this particular video is strictly for Nigerian stocks. Okay, so this is where to get Nigerian stocks stress-free. Remember, this is the Bamboo icon. Look at how it looks like, because there are a lot of other, you can see Bamboo VPN, Bamboo HR, Bamboo Handy. This is not what we are here to download. We are here to get Bamboo. Look at it. Look at how it looks like. Bamboo. Then the rating is 4.0, and then, yeah, so that's it. So our Bamboo app is downloading, right? So there's a lot of good reviews here, so you can go through the review. But then, to be honest, Bamboo app for now is one of the best apps to use in getting your stocks, okay? Nigerian stocks. So our Bamboo has downloaded, and this is it. Would you allow Bamboo to? You can allow. I don't like too much disturbance, so I'm not allowing. Okay, so that is for the notifications. So this is your Bamboo, right? So what you have to do here is click on create account. Okay, so when you click on create account, for those of you in Nigeria, click on Nigeria. For those of you in other countries, you can search for your country using this search button, and your country is going to pop up. So please, this is not like a crypto app or some other applications that permit you to be anonymous there. No, this particular app, you must go through KYC. So make sure you are putting your legitimate first name, your legitimate last name, you put your gender, you put your date of birth, you put obviously your citizenship, then your correct phone number, your correct email, then you choose the password that you want to use. Okay, then make sure, of course, you have to make sure that the password is a password that you're going to remember. So you see, it has to be a combination of a small letter, capital letter, one number, one special character, and a total of 8 characters. Then at this place, very important, your referral code is BIGGESTDC. So this is your referral code, BIGGESTDC. So make sure you input your referral code, BIGGESTDC. Then you click on BIGGESTDC like this. Then you click on, you acknowledge before you click on continue. Okay. So now that you've signed up on Bamboo, right? Bamboo, there's something Bamboo is going to do, which is Bamboo is going to ask you for your BVN. if I'm not mistaken. Bamboo is going to ask you for BVN, but it's just that I've done mine, so that's why my own is not showing like that. Bamboo is going to ask you for a BVN. It is safe, and they might ask you to even use your international passport or whatever ID card you have for verification. It is safe. The reason why I'm telling you this is because some people feel this type of information are not good information to share out there, or not safe information to share because they are scared. No. Why Bamboo is asking for this is because Bamboo is being regulated properly by the SEC, right? So you have to make sure they have to make sure, I mean to say, that every customer, every investor, anybody they have on their platform must be 100% verified. They don't want people that will come there, do money laundry, do a lot of crazy things, and they will run away. Okay, so make sure you do your make sure you get verified, okay, by sorry about this, sorry. So yeah, make sure you get verified by dropping your or filling in those information that you have been requested of from Bamboo. Okay, it is very, very, very important. And then another thing is that you need to be patient. Okay, so be patient for like let's say 2 days, 3 days before your Bamboo apps get verified. So I think they have to properly verify you, properly make sure that, oh, the information this Mr. Emeka brought on our platform is 100% correct. So that is why they take time to manually verify, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm telling you that as someone with experience in this financial field, I know that when verification takes time from a big company like this, it is because they are possibly manually verifying it. They are not using AIs to verify it, okay? So this is it. So on this account, for now, you can see I have put in about $72, okay, on this particular account, right? So yep, Nigerian stocks. So this is where the game we now play, the game of stocks. Okay, so we're going to go through this particular app. Now, the first thing first every intelligent person is going to ask is, how do I add money here? How do I put in money here to start investing? It's simple. You click on this particular button, add money. So add money, you want to add, for those of you abroad, you can put USD, but for those of you in Nigeria, you put Nigerian NGN. Mind you, the only time you can have access to this is after you have been 100% verified. So you click on NGN, then let's say I want to put in 20,000 naira. You just click on 20,000 naira. So 20,000 naira is equals to $14.32. Then you deposit. So you want to do it through either of these, maybe direct bank transfer or use your Nigerian debit or credit card. Okay, so for those of you that want to click do transfer, you click on transfer. So you see mine popped up with my name, the bank I'm supposed to pay to. You just copy. So now one hack I've discovered here is this, right? You can decide to even not go through this process. So far you've gotten this account is automatically tied down to your or connected to this account. So you can keep sending any amount. Even if you put 10,000, but you want to put 100,000, 200,000, it's okay. I mean, what I did is this. I automatically made this type of settings on one of my bank apps to this account that every day 10,000 naira is automatically sent here, automatic debit from my bank account to this place. So I don't even need to go through this process. It just happens every day. Okay, so I just think that you needed to know that. Then you can go through this process. But me personally, I prefer, instead of using my debit card, I prefer doing transfer. But for those of you that are not quite comfortable and conversant to transfer, you can choose to use the debit or credit part, the debit or credit card. Okay, you can choose to do it. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. So you can fill in your card, put in your valid date, then your CVV and pay. Okay, but personally I don't do that. Then I mean, one more information is this: there is a fee, $100 to $150 for transfers. Then the fee they are going to be charged for I'm using a debit card is 280. You can see it here. So what this means is simply this, right? If anytime I send in 10,000 here, I normally receive 9,900, right? So 100 naira has been charged on that particular transaction as the fee. Okay, so that's about it. So right now there's a particular stock I have decided that throughout this year, every day I'll be buying 10,000 naira of that particular stock, right? Throughout this year, I decided, right? And that particular stock, I'm going to show you, you see it. So look at the name of the stock. The name of the stock is Deep Cap. I started buying Deep Cap from 5.85 naira, so 5.85 naira, but right now it's at 5.45. So you can see I'm on minus 5,000 naira, and it's a total loss of 4.8. But I don't care, because like I said, I just want to be buying 10,000 naira worth of it every day. That is why I put my account on automatic debit, that keep sending 10,000 naira every day into this particular place, and I'll be investing like that throughout the rest of this year for this particular asset. And if I see another asset that is on a good buy, I might increase my automatic debit to 20,000 naira every day, and I'll be investing 10,000 naira on the other particular asset. Okay, so having said that, let's say now you don't want to buy Deep Cap, but you want to buy other Nigerian stock. How do you invest in it? That is where you then come to this point. You can see this particular button, invest. So when you click on invest, you can see different options: US stocks, Nigerian stocks, treasury bills, naira savings of up to 16% per annum, right? Fixed savings in dollar of up to 7% per annum. And on this particular one, this particular place is interesting, right? Manage portfolio. So you can put in money there, and expert will be managing your portfolio for you. But this particular video is not about this. This particular video is how to invest in Nigerian stocks using Bamboo. So look at where we're interested in here. We're interested in NG stocks, buy local companies. You click on it, every local company listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange is here. Okay, it's here. So for those of you that want to invest in Dangote refinery, right, their stocks, okay, obviously it's going to be here soon, and you can invest in it. So all here, you can see we already have Dangote cement here that is going for 1,180 naira per unit. Then Dangote sugar is going for 78.30 per unit, naira per unit. Okay, so you can come here, you invest. Now let's say you want to buy. I'm making this video on the 27th of May 2026. So today is public holiday, right? We'll have the salad break. So I think the market is closed. Let me be sure. Yes, so you can see market is closed. But even when market is closed, right, you can do something. So we have two types of orders. We have the market order and the limit order. So let us read it together. When you say buy now is a market order. Now, it simply means your order will be matched with the available price and quantities in the order book. If there are no entries in the market to match at this time, your order will fail immediately. So let's say you want to buy now at 5 or at 5 naira, but there are no investors or traders that want to sell theirs around that particular price. Your orders might not be matched. Okay, or there are no sellers in the market, your orders will not be matched. But so far there are sellers in the market, your orders will be matched automatically. But limit order is this: I don't want to sell at 5 naira, or rather I don't want to buy at 5 naira, for instance, but I want to buy at 4.8 naira. So what you just do is you click on the limit order. When you click on the limit order, just like this, let's say the current market price is 5 naira, but you don't want to buy, you just click on 4.8, you set it like this and proceed. Boom, you've set that order. But if you buy now, it simply means that you can read this again. Same thing. Exchanges aim to execute market orders quickly at the best available price. The same thing I explained. So you understand it. Okay, so you click on understood, then proceed with market order. So that is just the two different types of orders that are here. Okay, so That is how to invest here. Limit order, you don't want to buy at the market price. You want to buy when the market has gone down a little bit, or you want to sell when the market has gone higher. Let's say you want to sell off your investment, right? But you don't want to sell at the current market price. You still think the market is going to go up some more. All you have to do is set a limit sell order. Okay, a limit sell order. But you want to buy at a cheaper price, you set a limit buy order. But you want to sell or buy at the current market price, you can just go straight with market order. I hope you have now understood how to navigate and invest in Nigerian stocks using the Bamboo app. So here on the Bamboo app, this particular place, learn, you can come here, you can also learn a lot about the Bamboo app. So how do I sell my stocks? How do I buy stocks? How do I fund my Bamboo wallet? I've already mentioned most of this here, but you can come here, right? When you click on learn and do your own research, more research. Thank you so much. If you found this video educative, please make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on post notifications. And you can check this channel for other updates on stocks, best stocks to buy now, best stocks not in, best stocks to hold for long term, and stocks to avoid for now. I have all of those information on this particular page. See you in the next video. Bye.